Hello everyone, and in this video we will learn how to cut the subject from the background and use it in the creation of a thumbnail for YouTube videos. So let's get started. I'm here in my Photoshop, so let me show you. Here is my picture, and you can create thumbnails for YouTube like these, but this consumes time. Over here you can see that I have one picture of mine cut out from the background, and there is a white stroke, which is normally used nowadays in most of the YouTube thumbnails. I can show you over here in Canva. You can see that this is a pre-made thumbnail for the YouTube. So if you want to get the same effect, what you can do is, the step I have already conducted, but for you I'll show you in layers. So over here is the JPEG picture, and you can see that the background is locked. So what you need to do is, you need to select the subject, go to select the layer first, and then select subject. It will take time, and Photoshop will do quite nice job over here. You can refine this by click on the select itself, and then go to select and mask. There you can click over this, refine, and then select the portion which you want to deselect. So I have already done this for you. Over here you can see will end up with the transparent background with the layer selected. So Ctrl D to deselect, and here is the subject cut out from the background. So now if you want to get the stroke around your own subject, what you need to do is, you need to select the mask portion of the subject and go over to the FX and click on stroke, which is already selected. The stroke will be in this form. If you want to increase the size of the stroke, you can double click on stroke which you have created, and over here you can make it like, I'll go 15. It will be a bit thick, you can see over here. And if you want to see the stroke clearly, so create a background, which I have done over here. This you can do by going over to the creation and solid color, which you can select then black color, so you can see your stroke clearly. Here is the white stroke around your subject, and just to define it, I have used curve layer over here. You can see the difference. The curve layer you can achieve by going over to the adjustment layer, and over here you can select curves. I have already done this. I have already achieved this. So you can create this S form to give a bit of uplift to the image. So here is my image. Deselect the background, and you want to export the image with the transparency in the background, so you can use it on Canva or any other like I have done over here. This is the work in progress, where I have used blue glows around myself to give it a fine touch. So you can use it as you like, but for quick creation you can go over to the Canva and you can just upload and drag and drop in the pre-made thumbnails for the YouTube. So let's export this. Before this, select the top layer and hold Command Alt Shift and E for all these layers to sum up in one single layer, and go to the file, export as, and over here you can see that my file format is in PNG. So if I go for JPEG, I will have a solid white background, and the PNG I can have the transparency. So I'll go for PNG, export, and I'll export it on my desktop. I'll replace it. So now head over to Canva and upload your image. Select from desktop, and there it is, your image. All you need to do is just single click on it, and here is your image. You can increase the stroke around if you like, so I'm fine with this one. Click on Before deleting the actual image, just make your image size equal to the one which is available, so you can just fairly match with the background. I think this one is enough, and flip it around horizontal, and then delete the background one, increase it a little bit. You can use this effect, and over here you can write the rest. So this is how you can create YouTube thumbnails in just few minutes. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for future videos. Thank you. Bye bye.